Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English podcast. I am Ashley.
And I am Jack. Hi, everyone. Really happy you are here today.
This podcast is for English beginners, level A1 and A2.
We use simple words and short sentences, so everyone can follow along easily.
And if you do not understand something, just rewind and listen again. It is completely normal.
Okay, Ashley. Today, we talk about something that everyone loves. Food.
Yes, food. One of my favorite topics.
Mine too. I am actually a little hungry right now.
Hungry means you need to eat. Your stomach is empty.
Yes, and my stomach is very empty right now.
Let's talk about food then, Jack. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza so much.
Classic answer. Pizza is so good.
Yes, I could eat pizza every day and I would be happy.
Every day? Really?
Every single day, yes.
That is a lot of pizza, Jack.
I know, maybe not every day, but almost every day.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like simple pizza. Tomato sauce, cheese, maybe some vegetables.
Simple but delicious. And delicious means food that tastes very good.
Yes, simple food is often the most delicious.
I agree. You do not need many ingredients to make something delicious.
And ingredient means one thing you need to make a recipe, right?
Yes, exactly. Like for pizza, the ingredients are flour, water, tomato sauce, and cheese.
Simple ingredients, delicious result.
Yes, that is the magic of good food.
What is your favorite food, Ashley?
My favorite is pasta. I love pasta in all forms.
Oh, yes. Pasta is amazing. What kind of pasta do you like?
I love spaghetti with tomato sauce. Very simple, but very good.
Yes, spaghetti is a classic. Everyone loves it.
And it is easy to cook, too. Cook means to make food using heat.
Yes, spaghetti is very easy to cook. Even beginners can make it.
Exactly. You just need pasta, tomato sauce, and a little salt.
Do you cook at home a lot, Ashley?
Yes, I cook almost every day. I enjoy cooking at home.
Really? I do not cook very much. I prefer to buy food.
Oh, like takeaway food?
Yes, or ready meals from the supermarket.
I understand that. Cooking takes time.
Yes, and I am not very good at it.
What happens when you try to cook?
Last week, I tried to make soup and I put too much salt in it.
Too much salt is a very common mistake.
Yes, I took one bite and I could not eat it. It was so salty.
Oh no, what did you do?
I ordered pizza.
Of course you did.
Pizza is always the solution.
Okay, everyone, quick break. If you like this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
It really helps other people find us. Thank you so much.
Okay, do you have a favorite recipe, Jack? Something you can actually make well?
A recipe is the instructions for how to make a dish, right?
Yes, exactly. Like a list of ingredients and the steps to make the food.
I have one recipe that I can make well. Scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs. That is a good one. Simple and quick.
Yes, I make them every morning for breakfast.
Eggs, butter, a little salt. Perfect.
That is a great breakfast. Fast and delicious.
Yes, and very hard to put too much salt in.
You learned from the soup experience.
Yes, I am more careful with salt now. What about you, Ashley? What is a recipe you make often?
I make pasta with tomato sauce very often. It is my go-to meal.
How do you make it?
The ingredients are simple. Pasta, tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and salt.
That sounds easy.
It is very easy. You cook the pasta in hot water and you make the sauce in a pan.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes. Not long at all.
20 minutes? That is fast.
Yes, it is one of the quickest meals you can make at home.
Maybe I should try to make it.
Yes, you should. It is very hard to make a mistake with pasta.
Unlike soup.
Unlike soup, yes.
No salt problems with pasta.
Almost impossible to ruin pasta. Just follow the recipe.
Okay, I will try it this week.
Good. Let me know how it goes.
I will report back next episode.
Perfect. Okay, do you have a favorite restaurant, Jack?
Yes, there is an Italian restaurant near my house. The pizza there is amazing.
Of course it is an Italian restaurant.
Yes, because they have the best pizza.
Do you go there often?
Maybe once a week, sometimes twice.
That is a lot of restaurant visits.
I know, but the food is so delicious. I cannot help it.
I understand. When you find a good restaurant, it is hard to stop going.
Exactly. And the people there know me now. They know my order.
Oh, that is nice. You're a regular customer.
Yes, I walk in and they say, "The usual?"
That is a good feeling.
It really is. Like a home away from home.
Okay, let's do our recap. The words from today.
Number 1, cook. To make food using heat.
Number 2, delicious. Food that tastes very good.
Number 3, ingredient. One thing you need to make a recipe.
Number 4, recipe. Instructions for how to make a dish.
And number 5, hungry. You need to eat. Your stomach is empty.
5 easy words, all about food and cooking. Write in the comments, what is your favorite food? Tell us in English. Just one sentence.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
And if you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care.